This video is about camper van prices here in the Philippines. The camper vans are now available for us Filipinos or even foreigner-wise to avail of. I'm here right now in the vicinity of the makers of camper vans here in the Philippines. And what you're looking at here is one of their models that they're offering for the Philippine market. So I will take you a tour around, and then I will also tour you inside the camper van this time, and also discuss the add-ons that you can put into your camper van and the price, of course. So here we'll just have to go around first so you see what are the features that you are offered from this company. And like I said, they have 6 models to choose from. They can be your residential type camper van, office type camper van, or just your recreational type camper van. So that's great news for us here in the Philippines now that it is available here for us to purchase. The factory is located here in the export processing zone of Mactan Island, Cebu. And if you notice, there is an awning on the side because that's part of the add-ons that you can request the company with the additional prices, of course. Add-ons include the side awnings and the bike carrier on the back, the solar panel, and the rear ladder. Again, I'll tour you around what are the side add-ons that you can request from the company, so you'll have a full satisfaction of your RV. That's the bike carrier, and this is the add-ons. And if you notice there, that's the maker of the camper van. That's the Nuts RV Philippines Corporation, located at Mactan Economic Zone. Now I'll take you inside. You see they have opened up the side storage where you can put your stuff like water and anything you want to store, groceries, the lot. So let's go in. They have this steps that you can go up, and then this is like the basic ones. You can do the interiors differently according to your requirement, but this one is designed as a residential type camper van. So you can see there are different furnitures that they have installed in here that will be converted into beds. Even this table and chair that you're looking at can be converted into a bed. Here on top of the driver's seat and the driver passenger seat is a bed that is extendable right to the edge or here. There, and then you got all these cabinet compartments, even the lights is there, and an air condition machine, of course. The appliance can be air conditioning, and they have a microwave oven, all bolted in properly. So that's why when you try to open them, you need to press a button. And this is the fridge. Oh wait, there. Sorry, like I said, it's all bolted in properly, secured. And even this one, this is the sink. So there is a basic models that you can put add-ons. Even the windows have awnings and blinds for your privacy, and it can go up like here, and it can go up for more private ambience. So there you go. You can even add speakers. For the interiors, you can have a multi-room, you can put a toilet and shower inside for your interiors with a shower pan, and even put your speakers like you see there on the walls, and USB outlet. There you can have this electric charge, and they have solar panels because the solar panels are add-ons for exteriors. So for the inside, the ones mentioned, the speaker, shower, and toilet can be incorporated of the design that you're looking at here, because what you're looking at is the basic design for a residential kind of RV. And you can have an office RV or a combination. You have a office and a residential type where you can sleep and rest while you're traveling. So this kind of RV design that you're looking at is designed for a residential. As you can see, there's tables and chairs that can be converted into beds. So like 6 to 8 people, depends on their sizes of course, can actually use and sleep here and sit down and converse. And there's some like this one that you're looking at here. This is for the ladder that is there underneath the bed, because this is like adjustable. And so you're now gonna be asking me, what is the price range? Price range depends on the design and add-ons that you're gonna be requesting from the company. Range from 4 million to 5 million pesos, and you can have it installed via bank financing. Everything's brand new. You can have a manual transmission truck or an automatic transmission truck. This one is a manual one, and because of the add-on that this one have, it costs about nearly 5 million. But you can have a quote from all the different options that is available for you as add-ons through the company Nuts RB Philippines. So there you are. That's the bed, and that's the ladder to go up the bed, which is detachable, and you can access this storage here where you're gonna put all your living storage, and everything's bolted in safely, so no one will be worried about having loose items inside the van while you're traveling. So there's the electric outlet already installed, and of course you can provide your own air conditioning unit, but they can be aircon ready. Actually, this can be a little house for someone, that they will have to park somewhere. And also, if you're asking me about the disposal of the waste product, if you have a toilet and shower inside, and even your kitchen disposal thing, because this one is a functioning toilet. There you can see it's, then you can close it in, so there's no loose items around, because as a camper van, of course, it's bound to be traveling all the time, unless you just park it in and use it as a home. It is a nice mobile home that is now available in the Philippines. You can register it in the LTO. And we go back to the question of disposal. There are designated areas that they will be providing for you once their coordination with the DNR, like those septic thing companies that does your toilets. That's what the same disposal as this one, in which you can avail. So there you are, ladies and gentlemen, our Philippine camper van available now in the Philippines. So this is the logo of the makers of the camper van vehicles that is now available here in the Philippines. It's called the Nuts RB Philippines. And this is their factory here in the export economic zone of Mactan. So before, when I featured this on the first camper van in the Philippines, it was not available here in the Philippines at all. It was just made here. But right now, that's the great news. The camper vans are now available for us Filipinos or even foreigner-wise to avail of while we are here. So you can see this is like the unit. And these are the people that's working hard to make the orders that they have, especially if they are big in abroad. Because you know, their main target before was the foreign market. But now they are making the Filipinos avail of this kind of recreational vehicle. You can see that's one of the units available for us here, the jeepney type model. And there are 6 other models that I could scan and let you see while we're here. These are the furniture making department they have. So, and that's they are doing the interior design of the camper vans.